Hello students, welcome to Unskooler. This is Nazia Sheikh, your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you about integers. But before starting with today's topic, let us quickly revise numbers and number system. So, you all know that numbers are all around us and maths is nothing but all about numbers. Numbers are very basics of mathematics. In your pre-primary classes or in your nursery class, the first thing you learn in mathematics was counting. So when a teacher asks you to count something, you start counting it from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these counting numbers come to us naturally. So these counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Now natural numbers are represented by letter N. Now how to show these natural numbers on number line? Let us draw a number line. So here on number line we will start showing the natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So these counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Now just imagine you are having a basket full of apples, and if I ask you to take out all the apples from the basket, what remains in that basket? Nothing, right? So this nothing is represented by 0. So the absence of any value is represented by 0. Now 0 is also very important in number system. So when I add 0 to the set of natural numbers, these numbers are called as whole numbers. Now whole numbers are represented by letter W. How to show it on number line? So let us draw a number line. So whole number starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So these numbers are called as whole numbers. So when I add 0 to the set of natural numbers, that set of numbers are called as whole numbers. Now natural numbers and whole numbers both are infinite. Now if I have to add two whole numbers, for example, if I am adding 2 plus 5. Now 2 plus 5 will give me 7. Now 7 is also a whole number, right? One more example. If I am adding 10 plus 7. Now 10 plus 7 will give me 17. Now 17 is also a whole number. It means that when I add any two whole numbers, two or more whole numbers, I am going to get answer as whole numbers only. But what about subtraction? Let us take an example. 7 minus 5. Now this 7 minus 5 will give me 2. Now 2 is whole number, right? But what about 5 minus 7? Now when I subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, my answer will be in negatives, right? So 5 minus 7 will be minus 2. Now minus 2 is not a part of whole numbers. You cannot represent minus 2 here on number line of whole numbers. So minus 2 is nothing but it is negative number. So how to represent negative numbers on number line? So first of all we will draw a number line. So here in the middle of the number line will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And to represent negative numbers on the number line, I have to extend this number line to the left side, right? So starting from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So these are negative numbers. So on the number line, in the middle will be 0. On the right hand side, all positive numbers will be there. And on the left hand side, all negative numbers will be there. So what is integers now? Integers is nothing but whole numbers and negative numbers. So how you will define integers? Now integers are a set of whole numbers and negative numbers. So children, I hope you all have understood the basic concept of integers. In today's class we have done just a concept, just an introduction of integers. In our next class we will start with addition and subtraction of integers.